Hello, friends. Welcome to the lesson 3 of free affiliate marketing tutorial. I believe you have already bought a hosting that I have recommended you in previous lesson. So in this lesson, we'll now actually start to build your website. So if you have watched previous lesson up to the end, then you are already able to come up to this dashboard. Now you simply need to click on this dashboard and we will take some important steps that are necessary here. Firstly, let me show your site. How will it see? How is it looking? So it will look like this because you have just made this website. Now we will take some important steps. Firstly, you visit to this post section. Click on there and click on this trash. Whatever posts are here, whatever title you can see, hello world, sample page, whatever are there, click on trash and it will be gone. So now here you can see a hello world post. Now it will go. So nothing found here. That's okay. Now after doing that, after deleting the posts, you need to go to pages. So once you reach there, whatever pages are there, just click on trash and it will also go. Now you need to go to plugins. As you can see here, just click on here and whatever plugins you are seeing there, you can click on deactivate. Just click on deactivate and click on delete whatever plugins are there. So now you need to delete all the plugins that are available in the plugin sections and you need to add these plugins like contact form 7, Kraken image optimizer, pretty links, share this share buttons, Yoast SEO. I'll give the name of all of these plugins in the description below. You can watch that and install this plugin. Now I'll tell you how to install those plugins. So total plugin you will be installing are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and one classic editor, that is 6. Now I'll again install classic editor. As you know, I have recently deleted it. Now you need to click here and type classic editor. Now you can see here classic editor. Click on install now. In similar way you can install all the plugins. Firstly you need to delete all the plugins that are available here and then install all the plugins. I'll tell you about these use in upcoming lessons. So for example, let's say I will delete this. I'll firstly deactivate it. So this is how you will delete it. Again I am showing you to give you a crystal clear understanding. So you can see I have deactivated it and now I will click on delete and that plugin will be gone. Now I need to click on add new and here you will see search plugin. Now I need to simply type which plugin I need. As you can see there, share this share button. Now I need to click on install now. And once it is installed, you need to click on active. This is how you can install plugins. Just install all of these plugins. Now once you install all of these 6 plugins, then you'll go to pages. And now you will click on add new page. And firstly you will make your type contact us. Type contact us and just click on save draft. Now you go to plugin, let it load. Now you need to go to plugin and then you need to click on contact form 7 setting, and you can get a short code. You just need to select all these code and copy. Now again you need to go to pages and you can click on edit, and now sorry, and now you can paste it here, paste this code here and click on publish. So now what we did here is we made a contact us page. It is your contact us page. If people want to contact you, they need to fill up this form. Now if I click on preview changes, this contact us will seem something like this. Now if people want to contact you, they'll need to write their name, email address, subject and their message and click on send. And once they'll send, you will receive it to your email address that you have signed up in your hosting platform, which I have already shown you before how to buy a hosting. So once you do this, you again need to click on page. Now you need to add another page. So my internet is being little bit slow. Anyway, so now we will make your about us page. So in this about of us page, you can write something that will help people to know what your website is about. So who so you can answer this question, who you are, who are we. You can write if you are reviewing some anti-aging cream products, we are reviewing this kind of product. We try to add value to your life by providing honest kind of review and so on. You can type that those things, and you can also write why should you trust us. You can write about this thing. You can simply write some question answer to build trust to the people by providing genuine information. You can type about what whatever you know about the thing you are going to promote. You can write about that. You can simply write something like that, or you can simply write we are reviewing certain type of products and so on. We are reviewing certain type of product. You can watch our honest reviews before buying any product or something like that. You can write those things in about us. So let me just finish it here, and you can simply write those things and click on publish. Now once you publish, you can click on preview change. Here you can right click and click on open link in new tab, and you will see about us information will be shown here. But if you see from here, it will show, it is showing here about pages, and it may not show. That is not important. I will teach you about all these things also. So again, you need to click on pages and click on add new page. Now here we will make an important document that is called privacy policy. So now we need to make a privacy policy, and for that you can simply visit my website and go below and click on this privacy policy, and you can copy all this privacy policy from here till the down. It is a little bit long, so you can copy all this and just click on copy and open your Microsoft Word and just paste it here. And now one thing you need to do here, so you can see here pawandakal.com, this is my website. So you can simply copy it. You can click on Control F and put here pawandakal.com and replace it with what is your website name. Replace it with your my profitable website and click on replace all. Now everything will be replaced here. Okay, here I didn't type, I think I didn't type .com here. Find this and replace it with .com. Okay, here you need to find pawandakal.com and replace it with myprofitablewebsite.com. Now replace all, and 13 replacement has been occurred, and now it is your privacy policy. Now you can simply copy this, select all and copy it, and go to your privacy policy and paste it here. Now you can change the date. Whatever date you like, but it is not that much important. This is just a legal document that is important. So once you do that, click on publish. So now to see these changes, click on open link in new tab, and it is your privacy policies. Now we have made 3 pages, and these are extremely important pages. And for this about us, if you get confused, then you can see in any website that is relatable to the product that you are reviewing and write similar. It should not be too much long, just a short paragraphs or question answers to the people who visit to see your about us, because we will put this about us page in the top, and that's why people may visit this also. So you can write a good thing that can help you to build the trust to those people who are viewing your website. Now Now let me show you something. So as you can see, so we just visited our privacy policy page. Now if you see here, so this gapping between these two lines are not very good, right? And it is not quite readable. So to increase this gapping and making this font is also, as you can see here, it is not good for eyes to read. So we will make changes to these things. Now to do that, you need to simply go to appearance, and then you need to click on customize. Now you can go in this typography. So let me open this privacy policy page here to see the changes that are happening. So you can go to typography, and in here you just type. Sorry, I need to show you a little bit properly. So in type, okay, let's see. We clicked on typography, and you'll see here these things. Now, firstly, you are going to see body, right? Here you will see body, and click on here and type. Okay, this Open Sans. Can you see it? Open Sans. Just click on it. So now you'll see some changes here. So our text are a little bit changed, that are more readable than previous font. Now similarly, we will, this is our heading. This is the changes that we made were of body, that means these paragraphs and whatever inside it. Now we will change of header. We will use Open Sans in everything because it is a readable font. So we just changed about H1. Whenever we make any post or pages, our H1 also be in Open Sans. Similarly, we will change of H2 to Open Sans. This is one of the best quality font that you can use. So okay, sweet. So we changed H2 to Open Sans. Now here also we will make it Open Sans. Now just click on publish. Now click on this back button, and you can go to now additional CSS. Just visit to this additional CSS and close this. Now here you need to put two codes. I'll put these codes also in the description of this video, and I'll tell you what these codes are going to do. So simply click on, so you see the gapping between these two lines, and when I put the code, see the gapping. So this code is for page and this code is for posts. So we will have to, our main post will be in page, in the form of page, and our other supporting post will be in the post. I will teach you about that also in coming tutorials. First, for now, you need to paste this code. I'll give these codes in the description below. So now it is a page. As you know, we have made a privacy policy page. That's why it is a page. So now if I write here 1.5 cm, then 1.5. If I make it 1.5, the gapping will increase. If I make 1.1, then also if I make it to the extreme, it will increase extreme level of gapping in the text, as you can see. So I'll suggest you to make a 1 centimeter, sorry, you can make up to 1.1 for a good amount of space in both page and post. So this will be more readable. That's why it is important to place these codes. Publish. Now click on publish and go back. Now you can visit on site identity, and now for now you can see here in your, so what your website is showing is in the header that my profitable website, and it is just another website. Now you can simply change the title to, let's say, anti-aging so see how I changed the title. You can write anything here, it's up to you. It will change whatever thing you want to, you are going to make, like whatever best product, you write that kind of relative heading here. However, I will also teach you to make a logo and put it here for free, and that I'll teach you in other lesson. So keep following the tutorial. Now as you can see here, it is written here just another WordPress website. To change that, you can click here and write anything you want, best reviews related to something, REVIEW. So actually in my one hand there is mic, another hand I'm typing from another hand, that's why. Okay, so now in this way you can change these things by visiting to site identity and these things. Now we can place the logos by clicking on here and site icon. Now site icon means, as you can see here, now currently it is showing W here, it is of WordPress, it is site icon of your WordPress. That will change in another lesson, I'll show you properly. So to make a logo and to make this site icon, I'll show you in next video. For today you can do this much. And now you can change color of the website by visiting here. So now background color simply means these colors that you can see, gray color here. If you, let's say, if you made it red, then it will seem like this. So we will not do anything in there. So in text color, you want what kind of text color you want. Either you want totally black, then you can write, click on here. If you want yellow, then this. So it is also better to put it in default, that is good. So now what I want to show you here is, let's see. So this navigation color present is an important thing that I want to show you. So as you can see here in our website, that it is showing totally black, and this is not a good color according to me. You can change this color by visiting below in navigation color preset. Click on here And now which color you want. You want to make it red, and make it red. You want to make it gray, make it gray. You want to make it blue, make it blue. You want to make it green, make it green. So whatever color you choose, you just select and change the color, and don't put that default color black. It doesn't seem good. So you can do this much. So let me select green for today here. So and click on publish. So now if you visit your site, you'll see something like this. Okay, and in next lesson I'll tell you about making logo here, and I will also talk about another important thing, and that would be what thing we are going to put here, just like home page and our various reviews here, or drop down list. I'll tell you about those things. I'll guide you step by step on those things, and we'll make firstly logo, and then we'll also make our home page, about page, blog, and some important reviews that are giving us conversions and so on. And to do that, we will need to go to this menu section. I'll teach you that in our next lesson. So guys, I hope this tutorial was easy for you to understand, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye for today, and I'll meet you in next lesson. Bye.